Hi guys, all of you good morning and welcome back to Git to third class. Guys, just we are going to recapping on last two classes. In first class in very first class we have discussed about total three classes over. Total three classes over. In first class we have discussed about what is a Git, what is the importance of Git and how it works. Just we have discussed. And in second class also same we have discussed little bit, and we have installed git by using minstall git command in simple method, and we have installed a default version which one is available in in linux repo servers. Linux repo servers we are using alma linux server. So whatever they have deployed the version of Git, that one we have used by using install Git in second class. And in the second class we have created one mail, and we saw that how to create a GitHub account by existing or by working mail ID, because mail ID is mandatory for creating GitHub account. So we have created one GitHub account and we have installed Git in our local machine. After that, we have created one repository in the remote GitHub user. After that, once again, we have created one SSH key in our local machine. After that, we have taken that key and deployed into repository repository deploy keys areas. So after that, so we have taken that repository to clone into our local machine. Then we have applied that a git clone command, and we have applied that which one we have taken the repository URL in the GitHub remote repository. Yes, we have cloned that repository and we have entered into that repository, and we saw the files which are available in the remote. By default, we will get only one file, that is readme.md file, along with one main branch. One default file readme.md and one default branch, that is main branch. We got that by cloning the repository. After that, we try to create some files. We have created some files, either garbage or whatever it may be, because files are important to upload into GitHub repository. Yes, for a test case, we have created some garbage files. I think some .java, add.java, subtraction.java, or something like that we have created. After that, we have added into staging. After that, we try to commit the files from staging to committing area. In this level or in this step, we got that issue. We unable to commit the files because for this time we are the anonymous users. We are the anonymous users to Git, so that Git didn't accept our commits. Yes, in this step, Git asking, please tell me who you are. This is very very important, and keep in mind we are going to discussing once again and again little bit, because Git is a powerful tool. It works on version control and distributed version control. Of course, already I have given small example, and you will see practically. We will see practically. So how we will do in the real world. Just 1 minute, guys. Yes, guys. Git is a version control and a distributed version control, and we will see practically how we can do in the real world also. Of course, we need to work as a team. Okay. So if you are ready with your GitHub account, and Git in our local machine, we can see live live one example. Then guys, yes, we said that we have configured git config. Just you can remind that guys, you can visualize that. Yes, what you saw in the previous class, I mean that the last two classes, whatever I'm saying, that same we did that practically. Just you can remind that. Yes, we have applied that git config hyphen global user dot name space within the double quotes. Yes, I said that CloudGen. This is the username. And one more, that yes, git config hyphen global user dot email within the double quotes, one working mail id, whatever you want, is it is working mail id or non-working mail id. Okay, it's not a matter here. Okay, but we have applied that mail id. Then we hit the enter. After that we try to commit once again. Yes, this time successfully git accepted our commits, because we said that yes, I'm so and so person, this is my mail id and this is my username, we said that. From this time, whatever we have committed, git is having its own memory. It's git having its own memory. Yes, it has written in its brain or its memory, so and so user on so and so time, on so and so date, on so and so time zone, he committed this file along with this data. If the data inside the file, yes, it will write. If the data is not there inside that file, yes, it will, whatever we have committed along with the data or without data, yes, it will write one note in its brain. On so and so time, so and so date, in so and so time zone, this user has committed. This is the version control. Version control. Okay, guys. Yes, we have committed, and we try to push the files to remote repository. Git push origin main. And here also we saw that. What we saw that? Yes, the without SSH, we clone that repository by HTTP. Yes, we can clone the repository, but we can't push the files, because Linux servers are working on secure mode and secure shell mode, so it won't accept. Linux servers should not accept on SSH, sorry, HTTP mode. So that once again we have created one SSH key and added. After that we have cloned the repository by using SSH. This one also we did that. This one also first to initially we did on HTTP. Okay, we are unable to push the files because we cloned the repository by using HTTP. So that we have deleted and we have created SSH key, and after that we have added, and after that we cloned the repository by using SSH. In this level, successfully we have sent to remote repository. That one we saw. But the thing is, we have installed Git by using simple command. What is that command? Of course, already we saw that yum install. I'm not going to install right now. Git install. Okay, this one we did, guys. This one we did. Okay, in for second class. Okay, in third class, I mean that in yesterday's class, we have installed Git by using these methods. Latest version. Okay, successfully we have installed, and we saw that. Okay, we have created files and added and committed and sent to remote repository. The remaining steps are common: creating key, adding key, and cloning the repository by using SSH. Everything common, but the difference is we have installed the latest version of Git instead of default version. But if you observe that, yes, we have applied this command to see or to work with Git. Guys, it's a temporary path. we are having two kinds of variable paths. One is temporary and one is permanent. One is temporary and one is permanent. Just we have applied this one from the command line for working it temporarily. And you also saw that successfully we have executed commands successfully. See, this is yesterday we have uploaded this one, but on the same mission today I'm not going to installing it once again. That's enough. And if you have any doubt, you can go through that videos also. I will upload videos in my YouTube channel. Okay guys, now you can see git space hyphen hyphen version, but git is there, nothing to worry. Git is there, cd. Okay, we are having, see, all files are there. Successfully we have compiled, and we have placed the files inside cd slash usr local git. You can see here, see guys, this is the local git path. We have applied that, and you need to keep in mind. So this one, just we have applied it temporarily. Today also I'm going to apply this one. You can see this. Now it will work. See, before that, so let me finish. Yes, just wait. Once again, you can see that git space hyphen hyphen version. Git command not found. Now you can the same command. See guys, it's a temporary path. We said to kernel or we said to OS, yes, this is my git location. Okay, please recognize that. After applying that command, yes, kernel recognized and verified and working. Then it's working. But if you reboot this one, yes guys, reboot is a command, or you can apply reboot or init 6, anyone, to reboot the machine. Yes, here who are new to Linux, okay, those guys can understand this one guys. Yes, you can apply anyone, reboot or init 6. But in real world, we are not doing like that. We are not doing like that directly without informing to team or users. We will put one alert message. While executing this command. Yes, automatically the server will send notifications to all users who are working on this server. Those all users will get one alert from the root user. Yes, we are going to, this server will shut down after 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, or next 1 hour or 2 hours. It will schedule, yes, exactly for the time from executing. Whenever we are going to executing that command, yes, from the time it will count and it will shut down. Okay, just you can see guys, just wait. So the reason for shutting down or rebooting, just now we have applied this command and we saw this successfully, it's working, and we have rebooted. We are rebooting once again. Yes, same we will get like this. The reason, it's a temporary path. So how we can resolve permanently? Okay, how you can fix this problem? Okay, to work git permanently. Okay, yes, system rebooted, just apply that yes password. Now once again, just you can apply that, say git space hyphen hyphen version, and once again if you apply this one, it will work. But okay, this is not a solution. Okay, so that now what we are doing to resolve this issue, we are putting, okay, to set variable path, yes, vi or VIM, be careful, tilde slash dot bash rc, tilde slash dot bash rc. Guys, this tilde equals to slash root, tilde equals to slash root. Note that point. Tilde equals to slash root. Inside this slash root, it's mean inside this slash root we are having one dot bash rc file. We are having one dot bash rc file. Okay, so we are having inside this slash root we are having one dot bash rc file. Yes, you can see. Yes, just apply that dot bash rc. What it's mean, guys? May I know who is that xyz, guys? May I know who is that xyz? Yes, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is the, yes. If you want to see practically, and what is that dot, guys? Linux guys. What is this dot? It indicates. It indicates. Yes. What it mean? When we are seeing a dot in the beginning of the file, when we are seeing dot in the beginning of the file, what it mean? Yes, what it mean, guys? Guys, are you audible me? Are you audible me?
Yes, yes, sir, audible.
Yes,
Yes,
audible.
yes. It's mean it's a hidden file.
Present working directory.
It's a hidden file. It's a hidden directory. Whenever we are seeing a dot in the beginning of the file, it's mean it's a hidden file and hidden directory. See, dot bash rc. Bash rc is the file name of the file, and it's a hidden file. It's a hidden file. What is the command to see hidden files? ll space slash root, or else if you want to see that, yes, just apply that. Just apply this one. That's enough. Already we are in slash root. See, guys, already we are in slash root. Just let me go somewhere. Yes, now we are in slash var. Now if you want to enter into slash root directory, just it is enough. It's enough. Okay, now pwd. See, guys, it's a mean slash tilde mean slash root. It's a shortcut. And you can pwd. See, we are in opt. Now cd slash root, both are same. You can do like this, or else you can do like this. Okay, you can enter into slash root directory by using like this, or else you can like this. Now at present we are in slash opt. Yes, pwd. See, okay, we got it now. Now here we are having files. I'm applying the command, normal command. to see normal files only. This slash root directory having number of hidden files. Number of hidden files this slash root directory having. Yes, pwd and ll. Now if you want to see hidden files, ll space -a. See guys, already I said that. Dot indicates only one file is normal file, remaining all are hidden files. See, dot. Here we are having one file, bash rc, and you can put in bash profile also. Bash rc, okay, dot bash rc mostly, okay, mostly equals to bash profile. Okay, you can put in dot bash rc or bash profile. Which one? This path. This path. We need to, okay, we need to put this inside this bash rc or bash profile. That your wish. Now let me open that vim dot bash rc. Already we are in bash rc. Sorry, in the root. Already we are in the root directory. So no need to like this. Okay, if you are in any other location, for example, if you are in any other location, say pwd. Now this time you need to apply like this. Okay, vim tilde slash or slash root, both are. You can use this one or this one. Okay, slash tilde slash dot bash rc. Okay, open this one and be careful. You should not disturb this one, guys. You should not disturb this one. If you disturb this one, okay, your prompt should not work properly. And already we have taken that va and vam classes. You know that how to edit the file. Okay, be careful. You should not disturb which one is already existed. Okay, yes. Now come to the end of the file and end of the line in the document. Okay, in the document, last line, end of the line, in last line, and then come to end of the line, be in the insert mode, then hit the enter. Just give the 2 lines or 1 or 2 line space, then you can write or you can paste. If already path, okay, statement is there, just you can copy and paste here, or else you can type. Yes, that is export. Be careful spelling. Path equals to $path colon slash usr, where we kept git, guys. Yes, in slash usr local git and bin mean binary. Inside that bin folder we are having executable git software files, so that we need to mention /bin also. This is the path. And save and exit. Make sure that spelling once again. If any spelling mistake is there, it won't work. So okay, make sure that. Now save and exit. Now successfully we have exited. Now after applying this one, yes, if you apply this one, it won't work. See, so that exec bash, sorry, source, not source tilde slash dot bashers. By doing this, the file will update by kernel. Okay, now you can apply the command, successfully work. Next, if you reboot or if you restart or if you shut down and if you, okay, power on, yes, successfully it will work. This is one way to set paths permanently. Not only git, guys, keep in mind, Not only Git, in upcoming classes we are seeing Java, Maven, okay, and some other tools also we are going to setting. Even Docker also we are going to setting. Kubernetes also we are going to setting. Okay, and the tree path also we are going to setting. Okay, so we need to set paths permanently. Sometimes, sometimes some tools should not work properly. Okay, so that this is very very important. Forget about for Git, not only for Git. Upcoming classes we are seeing that Java, Maven, and Tomcat also we are going to see. Okay, and Sonar we are seeing, Nexus we are seeing, Docker we are seeing, Kubernetes, Grafana, Prometheus. Okay, these all are we are seeing that, so keep in mind. Of course, nothing to worry, we will see again and again. Okay, successfully we have logged in. Just simply directly apply that git space hyphen hyphen version. See guys, this is the permanent solution for setting paths. Okay, note that point. That's all. Then guys, in first class, I mean that in second class and third class, today is the fourth class. In last two classes immediately we entered into opt location. Then already we have cloned the repository. Yes, this is our project. Yesterday we have cloned this one. After cloning that, yesterday we have created one file. After that we have added and committed and sent to remote repository. And little bit we have discussed little bit in depth about this one. See guys, when you are going to creating a new file, little bit recapping and going little bit. Yes guys, now today I'm going to creating one more new file. Okay, touch is a command. Okay, yes, touch space Azure. See guys, okay, we have created. Once you create a new file, where it goes directly? Yes, it goes into working directory. All working directory files we can see in red color. Once you create a new file, that directly goes to untracked list. Okay, now you can see that git status git git status is a command, that command used for to see the status of working tree. Okay, see guys, git status command works on only working tree, working and staging areas. Okay, so here working tree, this is calling as a working tree mean working tree equals to working directory plus staging area, both are inside working tree. Okay, and note that point. See, untracked files we are seeing. Okay, so already I told that in previous class, we can't send the files directly, from working directory to local working directory to remote repository. We can't send the files directly. And even we can't send the files from staging area also. Yes, we can send the files local committing to remote repository. Just still I'm in recapping. And we can't send the files working directory to local committing area directly. We can't commit the files directly from local working directory to local committing area. So we can commit the files. We can commit the files to committing area from staging. Directly we can commit the files from staging to committing area. But we can't do it directly from working directory to committing. So before that, what we have to do? We need to send the files from working directory to staging. We need to send the files from local working directory to local staging area. Then you can commit the files. Then we can commit the files. And yesterday we saw that. And yesterday we didn't see this one. Yesterday we didn't see this one. If you copy the files, if you copy the files from one location to another location means this repository. This repository. Note this. Project one is a local repository. It's a local repository. And this one is available in the remote. Once you clone the repository from remote to local, then it's calling as a local repository. We are doing changes. We are doing the changes here, whatever we want. Once everything is okay, then we can send to stage, then we can commit, then we can upload into GitHub repository. Of course, upcoming class we will see once again clearly. Okay, then here what we are doing. Okay, so now today we are seeing this one. If you create a new file, by default it comes into untracked. If you copy or move the file from one location to this local repository, let me show you. Okay, yes, ll space slash root. Here we don't have any kind of files. Now what I am doing, I'm going to creating okay, one file in slash root directory, or two files. Touch, just first of all let me create one file. Yes, touch slash root, yes, abc. Now I'm going to creating one file in abc, sorry, slash root directory with the name of abc. Then you can see. Okay, now I'm going to creating one more file. Yes, now you can see two files we have created in slash root directory. Now I'm copying here. I'm in slash opt. Those files are not available. ABC and ABCD files are not available in present working directory. See, now I'm going to copying that file from slash root to our present working directory location. Yes, cp command copying the file slash root abc space dot indicates present working directory. Already I told you guys. See guys, we got the file, but we copied it. We can see in both locations. Just we copied from one location to this location. This location means local repository. Now pwd, yes, now you can apply that git status. Already I told that once you create or once you copy the file from others location to this local repository, yes, those files also moves to untracked list. See guys, abc, and again ll space slash root, see, and ll, the abcd file is not available in present working directory. The file is available in slash root. Now what I'm doing that, yes, mv moving that file slash root, yes, abcd to this present working directory. Now the file is not available in slash root. ll space slash root, see guys, we move the file. Okay, and move command, once you apply move command, yes, the file shift from one location to another location, the target location. Now you can see in our local mission, sorry, in the local repository. See what we did, we have applied that copy and move, both we have applied. After applying this command, where we are seeing these files, those files we are seeing in untracked list. Those files we are seeing in untracked list. Now you can see git status. See guys, okay, note this point. Now all are untracked files. All are untracked files, guys. Now, okay, in previous class we did this one, and we have committed one file, okay, and we have sent to remote repository also. We have added and committed and remote repository. Now I'm entering into subject. Yes, yesterday we did this one, guys. Yesterday we did this one. Of course we did some more extra also. Okay, I didn't write. Yes guys, so command git add command. Git branch is a command. That command used for to list all existing branches. Git add command, that command used for to see the all, sorry, git add command, that command used for to add only one file or more files. But this is the syntax for to add only one file, only one file. And this one git status command, that command used for to see the status of working tree. Working tree equals to working directory plus staging or index. Okay, and one more note. Yes, we can't see or committed files. Yes, you can urgent leave. Okay, committed files we can't see, or we can't see committed files, or committed files should not respond to git status command. Git status command, note that point. Okay guys, okay, we can't see committed files, or committed files should not respond to git status command. That's the reason. For example, total how many files are there? Already 4 files we are having here. Already 4 files we are having. Now you can see, now you can count. Install git latest and readme.md. Those 2 files are not responding to git status command. See, because those files are already committed files. Those files are already committed files. Okay, fix it. Okay, and note it. Now guys, now what we are doing? We are going to adding one file. Already we saw that. This is the syntax. Okay, for example, okay, for example, yes, only one file. Yes, git status. Now git add space abc. Git add abc. Then you can apply that git status. See guys, this file is in staged. Okay, this file is in staged. See guys, now whenever we are seeing green color, it means those files are located in staging area. Whenever we are seeing red color files, those files are located in working directory. This is one command. This is one command to add files from working directory to staging. But we have applied the command only for only one file. Before adding, before adding, okay, before adding, after adding, after adding. See guys, this is the before information, after information. Okay. Now, if you want to add, yes, this was happened yesterday. Now, git class 4 in today's session. Yes, git add, git add command. What is the use of git add command? This command used for to add one or more files at a time. But in yesterday's session we saw that only one file. We have added only one file, that is install git. That is install git. You can see in the remote also. See guys, we did this one only. In today's session, we are going to executing. Okay, let me create files. Okay, yes, or touch Java, Python, AWS, C, CPP, okay, Ruby. Yes, these are the files. Now we are going to creating files. Let me create practically. Yes, LL. At present we are having only these files. Now I am going to creating. See guys, successfully we have created. Okay. Yes, this what for practical session guys. Yes, I'll send this document also. You can go through that. Yes. Okay, so here we have created. So before creating, after creating these files, now git add command, git add. Okay, now we are adding multiple files, at a time. At a time mean multiple mean more than one, more than one. Yes, take from here. So already which one we have added, ABC already we have added. If you want to see that, just you can see it, git status. Sorry, see the ABC file is located in staging area. Already we have added. Now you can choose from here. Yes, git add AWS, CPP, Java. For this time, I want to add only 3 files. Out of the files, I want to add only 3 files. This is my requirement. Hit the enter. Now you can see that git status. See guys, AWS, CPP and Java. AWS, CPP, Java. We have added. If you want to add multiple files like that, you can add. Like this. This is one example. Yes, here's okay. Yes, so syntax git add space file name space file name space, okay, file name dot nth file name, okay guys. If you want to add multiple files, yes, you can add like this. This is one example to add multiple files. See guys. Okay, next one more command. Okay, to add all files at a time. all files at a time. Yes. Syntax git add space dot, git add space dot. Okay. Yes, one more command. Yes, git
Sir,
add. Yes,
can we use the git add asterisk?
yes, I'm coming. Okay. git
Okay.
git add space asterisk. Okay. But you need to understand about the difference between dot and asterisk. Next, git add space hyphen all, git add space hyphen all. Next, one more command, git add space hyphen capital G. Okay. So here these are the commands, but here we are having small difference between dot, hyphen all, and hyphen e. Okay. So here, yes, to add all files, to add all files at a time. Of course, already I have written, but okay, yes, okay. We can add only all all normal files and directories, normal files and directories. Okay, we can add only all normal files and normal directories. It's mean it's mean, yes, we can't hidden files, hidden files and hidden directories, hidden directories. Okay guys, you got it to my point. Okay, we need to close that. Once you open the quote, either double quotes or single quotes, immediately we need to close, otherwise it will affect on remaining all lines. So that actually it's not a sentence format, keep in mind. Okay, so if you close this one, automatically remaining lines comes into normal state. Okay, so that I have closed here, but that's not good for. Okay. Okay guys, now see, now let me show you practically, one by one. Okay, syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax, okay, syntax 4. Okay, yes, now let me show you this one. Yes, that is a syntax, and example also same, example also same. That's not actually, okay, it is also syntax and it's an example. Okay, now guys, so yes, git status, git status, now you can see. So whatever we are having all files, maybe for this time, if you're having only one file or 100 files, 1000 files or 5 files, whatever the count is there, those all files moves to at a time, all files moves to work staging area. Git add space dot, then you can apply that git status. See guys, this is one practical example. Okay, yes, this one. Next, coming to, okay, this is the syntax. Yes, example. Now come here guys, and one more. Guys, this is the different command. You are seeing that two lines, that's a different command. And if you are seeing that a single line, it's a sub command in the same command. Yes, git reset, this command used for to unstage or reset the file or files or directories from from staging to working directory. Staging to working directory. Git reset is a command, that command used for unstage, reset the file or files or directories. Okay, we can use for all or, okay, you can note like that, all or file or files or directories. Yes, syntax for one file. So why I came here, why, so instead of using these all commands, instead of these commands, okay, so why I came here, so we can't create again and again, na? Already files are there. See, it's creating little bit awkward, it's awkwarding. So, okay, due to number of files, okay, we can't create once again, na? So that I'm using existing files only for adding all files. Okay, by using these commands, yes, if we want to use these all files once again without creating new files, we need to follow this command. And this is also one practical examples, real example. Okay, so how we can unstage the file, from staging to. Yes, how we can unstage the file, from staging to working directory. Let me show you. Okay, practically, let me show you. So git status, see, already files are there. We can reuse these all files without creating new files. Now guys, git reset for only one file, abc. Now you can see git status, okay, this is one example for to reset the file. Yes, syntax, git reset file name. Git reset file name. Yes, example. This is the example. You got it, guys? This is one example to unstage the file. I mean that if you want to call back to working directory, if you want to call back to working directory from staging, or else if you want to send back to working directory, send back to working directory from where? From staging area, or the official word terminology word is unstage. Unstage. Okay, this is the terminology word. If you want to unstage the file, yes, this is the command: git reset space file name. Git reset space file name. And yes, to unstage multiple files at a time. Same syntax. Syntax. Yes, git reset file namespace dot dot nth nth file name nth file name. I mean file namespace if you want. Okay. Yes. Example. Example. Yes. Git status. Git reset file name. For example, Azure, Azure, Java, Python, Ruby. See guys, total 4 files we are unstaging. Now after unstaging, git status. See guys, before after. This is the before one. Okay. Yes. This is the practical example. Okay. Yes guys. Next. Okay. To reset all files at a time. To reset all files at a time. Okay. Yes, syntax or example. Syntax come example. Okay. Example. Okay. Both are same. Yes. Git reset. Git reset space dot r r and you can use. Okay. Anyone. Okay. Not both at a time. Okay. Git reset. Okay. That's it. Okay. This is the command. Only git reset. You need not apply anything after git reset command. This is also will work and this one also will work. Now let me show you both one by one. We'll see that. Now git status. Git reset space dot. Now git status. See guys. You can. Okay. So this is one example. Yes, take this one. Yes. Practical example. Okay guys, next one. Okay, now coming to this one is over now. git add is over. Now, okay, git add space asterisk. So here, so we can add only normal files and the normal directories only. Note that point. I mean that not hidden files. We can't hidden files and hidden directories. So first of all, ll space hyphen e. Here we don't have any kind of hidden files and hidden directories. Only one dot git is there. That won't work here already. It's committed. Now let me create our own files. Yes, touch yes mysql dot oracle yes dot mongo mongodb. Okay, next no sql, no sql. So what are these? These are the hidden files. These are the hidden files. Now you can see and ll space hyphen a. See, here we are having. So here we are not seeing that hidden files. By applying that ll space hyphen a command, we are seeing hidden files also. Now let me execute the command. Yes, git status, git status, git add space asterisk. Okay, it's mean. Okay, yes, Alok, I think Alok or someone who said this one. Who said this one? Yes, Alok or
Me, sir.
yes, Alok.
Yeah, yeah, me, sir.
Yeah, okay. See, now git status. Is it correct? Whatever I said that. Yes. Is that command working on hidden files?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So it won't work. Okay. Yes. So this is one
Okay.
practical example. Okay. Yes. If you want to add, yes, one more command. Now coming. So let me reset. Yes. This one, which one we have executed here? Practical example git status. Which one we have executed? Git reset dot. Git reset dot. Now we are going to executing. We are going to executing this one. Practical example. Practical example. Yes, guys. Git status. Git reset. Only git reset. Before that we have applied dot. Now you can see git status. See. Okay, this is also command to reset all files. Okay. Yes. So where is this? Yes, we can. Okay, R. You can use any one. Okay, you can use any one. Git reset or git reset dot. Next, one more command to add all files at a time. Okay, yes, this one is over. With the dot is over, I think. Okay, see, after adding also we are having still untracked list. Okay, so this command won't work on hidden files. Now, yes, practical example. Okay, yes, git status. Okay, git add space hyphen hyphen all. Git status. See guys, before after. Okay, then again. Okay, better to take one by one, otherwise we will be in confusion. Yes, this is a practical example. Next, okay, coming to git reset, because we need to work at a time, no, both. Okay, yes, git reset, asterisk, same how the git add asterisk command, the same command works like that. So here, note, okay, we can't get or unstays on hidden files and hidden directories by above command. Okay, which means it won't work on hidden files and hidden directories. We can't unstays. We can't unstays. For practical example, yes. Now where are these files? Git status. See guys, git reset. Yes, in this we are having hidden files and normal files. We are having hidden files and normal files. Yes, apply this one asterisk. Now you can apply that git status. See, still those files are located in staging. Same how it working in adding level. The same one it's working on unstage also. Note that point. So if you want to get back all, so there is a alternative command, that is yes guys, what is that? You can apply git reset or git reset dot r. Okay, next guys. Okay, next one more command. What is that? Git add hyphen a. Yes, practical example. Yes, now the files are git status. Okay, if you want, yes, let me get back all. Git reset dot git status. Okay, see files, all files are located in working directory. Now git add space I capital A, git add space hyphen capital A, hit the enter, then you can see. See guys. Okay, this is the practical. Okay, yes, this is one example. Okay guys, so this is what we did. Okay, next. Okay, so this one is over now. Get add over. Next one more. to, to add series of series of files. I mean that pattern files. So patterns mean, for example, okay, a touch, for example, what is it? Yes, Ravi, Raja, Sol. Okay, yes, Aloka, yes, Rohit. Okay, and next, see, Ashwin. Okay, yes, Kiran. Okay, yes, Jose. Okay, Shiva. Okay, so what are these five? What you have observed here, guys? Please, please tell me. What you have observed here? Yes, need quick response. Yes, yes, yes. What is the difference between previous touch command and the same command is same, but you need to observe that. Please, please, guys, are you there? Are you audible me? Yes, guys. Are you audible me? Guys, are you audible me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, what is the difference? Yes, we are going to creating files with uppercase letter. Every name starting with uppercase. See, here case sense we are having. Now, already we are having some files. Already we are having some files. See, these all are starting with the lowercase. Now, git status. See, now let uh, let me create some more files. Touch. Okay, git status. Now you can see, yes, apply that git reset. Now you can see, so here we are having different names. But if you observe this one, starting with capital A, two files are there. Okay, and starting with J, one file is there. K, one file. By R, three files are there. By S, two files are there. And if you observe that with lowercase a, four files are there. With lowercase c, two files are there. Yes, with starting with j, three files are there. See, with a small, yes, two files. With a small r, two files. Now out of these files, If I want add only the particular files, okay, which letter starting by capital letter R and the small letter S, or which file starting by J. Okay, I want to add only which file starting letter with J files only. Yes, now git add J asterisk. It's mean it's mean which letter, which files are having starting with lowercase j, which files are having in the list of the files starting letter with j. Those files only we can add. Hit the enter. How many files are there? Total 3 files we are having. Now you can see git status. See, like this we can, we can do in reset level also, and we can add adding also. Next, git add letter, capital letter, yes, and lowercase. So git add which letter starting capital yes, and which letter starting by lowercase yes, both. Git status. See, no more capital letter s and lowercase letters in untracked files. See see you got it, guys? This is, we can same like that we can reset like this also. Okay, it's a lengthy, man. It's too lengthy. Okay, so unnecessarily it's occupy document space. Okay, so you can see the practical sessions. Okay, even if you want to add or if you want to reset also, if you want to add and reset also. Yes, pattern files are series of files. Okay, particular series. Next, okay, yes, git status. So let me delete rm space. Yes, here if you want to delete, same like that, r series files, c series files, and a series files I'm going to deleting. Yes, sorry, it will take a lot of time. Okay, now guys, now what I'm doing, if you want to reset, same like that, git reset, for example, only, okay, only I want small or lowercase s series files and j series files, both lowercase j and lowercase s files. Okay, yes, git status. See guys, lowercase s and lowercase j. See, this is the process to reset files. Got it, guys? Okay, yes, practical example this is. So this one we did this, guys. Yes, yes. Shall we stop here today, guys? Shall we stop here?